Yes, sorry for the noise. The landscapers, I swear, only pick when I'm filming to use the loudest machines possible right outside my window. Maybe one day I'll learn their schedule, but today is not that day and I am sorry. That's just life, right? It's just life. Life is like a box of chocolates and a landscape company with no schedule, right? Whatever. Anyways. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our Vellabox unboxing for April of 2025. I just got back from taking Kona for a walk, so I am a little bit sweaty, a little bit gross. It's early in the morning, but my Vellabox was here and I'm so excited that I wanted to go ahead and open it up. So let's do it. Thank you so much to Vellabox for sending this to me and working with me. I love working with y'all and I love this box. And because I have the privilege of working with Vellabox, I do have an amazing coupon code. So I'll put that up on the screen. You get 50% off your first box, which is incredible. And let's go ahead and dive in. Every month, Vellabox will partner with a different candle maker across the US to bring you clean, artisan-made, handcrafted candles, and you get to support a small business at the same time. They send you a free gift every month, and they have 3 different tiers. I have the biggest box today, but here are the different options with pricing for you, so you can decide which is best for you. You fill out a scent profile, so they know what scent to send you every month, and then you get to enjoy a nice new candle every single month. I think that's everything you need to know. Ooh, lace is so pretty. It's a rainbow. It says, it's the contrast of rain and sunshine that paints the most beautiful skies. Oh, I really love that. I have been doing a lot of scrapbooking and card making, so I'm actually really excited to get to use this in my card making. I almost just destroyed it. Don't worry, I didn't. It's really funny that I mentioned that because the free gift this month are these greeting cards. These are so cute. These are just like little square greeting cards. Looks like you get a set of 4 and they're blank inside. It says they're not the standard size for regular postal mail, so this is something that you'd probably give to like a coworker or someone in person, or you could toss in like a gift bag or a package you're sending in the mail. But this is cute, so exciting. And it says that the value of this is $12. There are 4, and it's You Make the World Shine Brighter, My Main Squeeze, Happy Birthday to You, and a versatile message-free card for any occasion. So that's great. I love these. It's always nice to have these, even just like keeping them in like your work bag so you have something if you know you forgot that it's your coworker's birthday. You can write a little happy birthday message and hand that to them. So great, very useful little free gift. The maker for this month is Dirt Road Candles, founded by Michelle and her husband. They decided to purchase their dream farm and they wanted to keep unwanted farm odors out of their home, so they created a candle company. That is such a cool story. They have hand soaps, car fresheners, counter sprays, and even pet shampoos as well. And then they do give us a coupon code for shopping too. So that's really fun. Something else that I really love that Vellabox does is they make a Spotify playlist every month, so you can enjoy that, and it goes with the theme, goes with the time of the year, and it's just a really nice kind of atmospheric vibe to put on in your house, and you don't even have to think about it. It's great for having people over for a dinner party, just cleaning around the house, or just having some background music while you're doing a task you need to focus on. So I love that. It's rainy day this month, so that's awesome. And let's go ahead and dive into the candle, which came in this super cute bag. This is really cute. This is one of my favorites. It's very like spring summery. I think it leans a little bit more summery to me, which honestly I love because I'm not really a spring fan, but I love the summer. So I'm excited about this. I just finished my Vellabox candle from last month, like 3 days ago. So my house has been like not smelling as wonderful as it normally does. So I'm very excited that we have a new one. Ooh, okay, this is really pretty. So I got After the Rain, which is actually a song that I always think of with my husband. I'll put a link to it down below, but it is such a beautiful song. And this says, smells like finding beauty on a cloudy day. And look how pretty that is. I love the like gold foil with the green, the white lid, super pretty. Oh, wow. That smells so good. That smells so good. Okay, before I look at the scent notes, I want to see if I can describe it to you. It definitely smells like fresh air and rain, like mountain air specifically. There's sweet, like floral in there, but it's very nice floral. It's on the mountainside next to a creek. Very clean water, crisp air, a little bit of maybe some apple in there. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it says the scent notes are marine, honeydew melon, apple, lily of the valley, jasmine, sandalwood, and musk. I feel like I did a pretty good job. The description is the storm has passed, leaving behind the crisp, clean scent of renewal. Gentle drops cling to lush leaves as a breeze carries hints of dewy freshness and musky earth. Cool, airy, and effortlessly refreshing, capturing the tranquil stillness after the rain. And this is part of the fresh category, so if that is the scent profile that you are a part of, this is the one that you would get. This smells so good. This is such a good spring cleaning scent to just make your house feel cleaner just by the smell of it. So I am so excited. We actually have my in-laws flying in today, so I'm excited to burn this and make them feel extra cozy in my very unclean home that's going to smell clean. Oh, it smells so good. I'm so excited about this. And Dirt Road Candle is just such a cute name, so definitely go ahead and check them out. I will leave the link down below for Vellabox to subscribe to them, to shop this candle, and to Dirt Road so you can shop the small business directly. I love this, and I'm so excited about this one. I feel like this is a really, really good box. Great free gift, amazing candle, super cute small business, great scent. I just love Vellabox. I honestly, every single month, am just so happy with the candle that I get, and I'm so happy to get to support small businesses, so that is just a treat. So thank you so much again to Vellabox for sending this to me and continuing to work with me. I super appreciate it, and I love working with y'all. If you are interested in trying Vellabox, I will have them linked down below for you to subscribe, and you can also check out the Dirt Road Candle Company as well as this specific candle so you can go ahead and support the small business yourself. If you're gonna subscribe to Vellabox, definitely go ahead and use my coupon code to save yourself some money. I really appreciate when you do that. It means a huge world to me. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. I really appreciate you being here, and I hope that you choose to stick around and subscribe so I can see you in the next video. If you do, I will see you then, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!